In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money betting on League of Legends. Before we begin, remember that there's no guaranteed way to profit from betting, and laws and age requirements vary by location. Only proceed if it's legal where you live, and always bet responsibly. League of Legends doesn't have a built-in option for betting, so you'll be using third-party sites that cover esports. To start, open your browser and search for money betting on Google. You'll see several options and roundups in the results. Among the names that commonly appear are Thunderpick, Rivalry, Pinnacle, and GG.bet. These are examples of platforms that offer esports markets, including League of Legends. Open each site in a new tab so you can compare them side by side. As you click through, focus on two things: the services they offer and the overall design and layout. The services can include the types of LoL markets available, whether they support live betting during matches, and how clearly they list upcoming events. Some platforms highlight live games front and center. Others start with a classic sportsbook layout where you pick your game, region, and league. Pay attention to how easy it is to find specific leagues like the LEC, LCS, LCK, or international events. A clean layout can save time and reduce mistakes. Next, explore how each site presents match details. Clear odds display, straightforward navigation, and readable team and map information make a big difference. If a site's interface feels cluttered or confusing to you, it's okay to move on. Your goal is to find a platform you understand at a glance. While you're comparing, notice any extra features, such as live score updates or quick filters by tournament. These don't replace good decision-making, but they can make the experience smoother. Also consider practical basics you can see without creating an account, like whether the site loads quickly on your device and whether the help or FAQ section is easy to find. A transparent help section is a good sign that the platform prioritizes clarity. Once you've clicked through Thunderpick, Rivalry, Pinnacle, and GG.bet and taken in their layouts and offerings, choose the one that feels most intuitive for you. That's it. The point here isn't to rush into placing bets, but to identify a platform whose design and services match your preferences. Always set limits, avoid chasing losses, and if betting stops being fun, step away. Responsible habits and a clear, easy-to-use site are the best foundations you can give yourself before you go any further.